friends, welcome back to the channel Uday's Review. In our channel, we bring you the latest and greatest gadgets that will level up your entertainment experience. In this video, let us see a product from Baofeng. It is like two-way radio, or basically called as walkie-talkie. This product will be like very useful for the people who are handling more than one stuff to communicate with the other partners like photographers, videographers, event management, in film shoots, big restaurants, even hotels, to communicate with their local team. Let us see what is inside the box. Before that, let us see what box itself has to say. So on top of the box, it is mentioned like Baofeng portable two-way radio. The model number is BF888S and it is VHF and UHF FM transceiver. So if we come down, these are the features which is there. Scrambler, noise reduction circuit, long standby, long communication range, high compatibility lithium battery, battery save, CTCSS.DCS, reporting number command of English and Chinese function, humanism design. At the bottom you have high illumination flashlight. There is a flashlight here, so that is what they have mentioned. On the side it has company name and the model number. Back there is pretty much nothing, and as we know, this is a made in China product, and inside also you have just the company name and the model number. So let us dive into it and see what is there in the box. So it is just packed via a small sellotape. We'll remove it. Here is one. So when you open the box, there are few contents in the box, and firstly we have a user manual which says VHF/UHF FM transceiver, and it is mentioned like the user manual, and again it is mentioned like CTCSS and DCS, and again they have mentioned the features here whatever was on the box. So once we open it, it says like, thank you, we are grateful for choosing our product, and you have some index here and you have some precautions which has to be taken care of when you use this product. The unpacking stuff, let me see if I can get the soft copy of it. I'll give the link in the below description. You can also go through it. Now we'll keep the user manual side and let us see what and all is there. Next, inside the box we have a headphone. There must be two headphones here. This is like in-ear headphones. We have two antennas for the walkies. This is a belt clip where you can tighten it and use it as a belt clip. This is the battery 1. This is the battery 2. Here is one walkie-talkie. Here is the other one. Here is the belt clip for the second walkie-talkie. These are chargers for it. You assemble the walkie-talkie, put the walkie-talkie here and plug this into power point. This will be a charger for it. There are two chargers. This is the second charger. These are like safety bands where you can place them to your wrist when you're holding the walkie-talkie like this. Now let us assemble both walkie-talkies and see. So now let me keep all this aside and start assembling the walkie-talkie. So I'll take this walkie-talkie one. I'll take the battery and just slide it in and make sure I lock it by hearing the click sound. So once you lock it, so battery is very safe. And I told you about the belt clip, right? So we will have to loosen these two screws and connect it here. I'll also be showing that one. Now let me connect the antenna for it. Now let me repeat the same step for the second one. Make sure everything is switched off before starting, and just place the battery here and slide it until I hear a click sound. It is done. So in case I want to remove the battery from the walkie-talkie, I'll just go here. You can see a button here which is like pointing downwards. I'll just press this, the battery will become loose. So I can just slide it off again. So now I'll connect the second antenna. Now we have connected. Let me switch on and show to you. So now let us see what are these knobs for. This is a LED flashlight which it was mentioned on the box. These are like knobs to switch on and change the channel. Now let me power on this by switching on this.
Power on. 1.
So once we switch on this, it says like power on and which channel we are in. This is for the channel selection. Once I rotate it, it says what channel we are going for.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
So totally there are 16 channels in this. This is a power on, power off switch, and you can also increase and decrease the volume here. So I'll switch on both and see now. So I have turned on both walkies. So if I press here and speak something, we can hear it in this. When I press here, the light here turns red and the light here turns into green. Same as it, when I press here, the light here turns red color, the light here turns into green. There are a few buttons in the side. We'll see what and all it does. So first one, to speak to anyone in the particular channel, you will have to press this. When you press this, select the channel here like 1 to 16. In between 1 to 16, you can select the channel, and if you press this button, you will find the light here. This means you can speak to the person on the particular channel. And now this one is to just send a code to him. It will just create a noise like this. Check, check, hello, 1, 2, over. And the second button here is for the LED flash which they are talking on the box. So it is like 1 and like this and off, like fully on. Then this is for sending the signal and switch it off. Here you can see like it is mentioned as mic. Onto the side you have a rubber grip. When you open the rubber grip, there you can connect the headphones. So it is like this. So here you see 2 connectors. In one the mic is there and one the headphones is there. Let me show you. You have a earbud for earphone. This is like in-ear earphone, like one-sided. We'll have to fix it like this, and this will actually cut the noise which is coming out. So it will make the noise as a soft and give the audio to the ears. This is a earphone and this is a mic. And now we will be connecting to the walkie. So the big pin goes in the big hole, small pin into the small hole. So just like this. And once you press it, it goes and locks inside. This setup, you can use it like hands-free walkie. Let me place the walkie into the charger and show you. So we'll have to correctly point out the pins into the connectors here. We'll keep it like this. We'll give a gentle push. You will see it is connected via a green light here, and when it is charging, this will turn into red color. See, this is the indicator like battery is there in the walkie, and when it is not there, the lights will not glow, and when it is charging, it is in red color. Now let me connect the belt clip and see. Once we remove the screws, we will take this clip like this, little cross, and take a screw, tighten it up. Once we are done with the first screw, you can take the second screw and do it. Now both has to be tightened thoroughly. From this, like you can place it on your belt. Now let us measure how much gram the full assembled walkie is. Here you can see on the weight scale, it says 0 grams. Once I keep it, it's like 152 grams. I physically like this product and we use it regularly on day-to-day basis for our work. Till now, we have around 8 to 9 walkies of same brand and same model number. Why we preferably go to this is for its build quality. The build quality is very good, and as it is made of plastic itself, but you don't feel it is like very light plastic. The quality of the plastic is very good, the range is also good, and the battery backup is the most plus thing in this. Usually in walkies we have just one frequency.
Here we have two frequencies, which is VHF, UHF.
So the signal will not be weak, and the distance you cover also will be like good distance. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing of Baofeng BF 888S walkie, which is very useful for the people who are doing multi-work at a time, or they are coordinating with the multi-team. So this is very helpful for them, like photographers, videographers, event management, restaurant and hotel owners, and like other stuff. Hope you like this video, and share this video with your friends and families who are looking for the alternate for communicating to team, and tell them to subscribe to the channel, share it with their friends and families. See you in the next interesting content. Bye.